Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to DOECHII. First time on this channel, I believe, pretty sure. And this one is called Stressed. So we have 4 chords we're gonna handle for this one. And it goes in the same way through the entire song. A little bit different here with the timing, but we'll go through that as well. But first, let's start with the chords, and no need for any cape on this one. So the chord progression will be first A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have a D variation here. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and you can have this open E. I'm not sure you need to go down all the way. It's just one kick on this one. So keep it simple like this, okay? So that's the D thing here, and let's go over to the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay? So the chord progression will be in the order we went through the chords: A minor, D, E minor, and G. So let's start with the A minor strumming. You're gonna play down, clap, up, clap. Okay, so down, clap, up, clap. Again, down, clap, up, clap. And then you go to D and just give it one kick. Down, and that's it. And then you go to the E minor and play down, clap, up, up. That's it. So down, clap, up, up. So down, clap, up. And immediately right after you switch to G and play down, clap, down. So it goes fast here between E minor and G. So E minor, down, clap, up, up. And then G, down, clap, down. And that's it through the entire song. So I'm going to take you through this very slowly. Just repeat everything first. A minor, down, clap, up, clap. Then D, just one down. And then E minor, down, clap, up, and quickly to G, down, clap, down. So slowly like this. All right. So slowly, a couple rounds. So on. Alright, so that pretty much covers DOECHII's Stress. Thanks for watching, guys, and play tuned.